I got tired of losing my favorite videos, searching old content, and just not enjoying my YouTube experience. That is, until I got organized. By the end of this video, you'll know how to search smarter, subscribe to channels, and organize everything with playlists. First up, let's talk about searching, watching, and subscribing to channels. So I'm going to start with a topic. We were building a deck, and I needed to find some videos that I could trust on building a deck. So I did a search for, first of all, measuring stairs for a deck, and I've got several items that pop right back up. Now what I like to do is maybe go through a couple, and I look for the views. I look for how long ago it was posted. A lot of times they'll have chapters in here. So this one here, first time building stairs, everything you need to know, might be a good one. So I'm going to click on this here.
By the end of this two-part series, you're going to be able to figure the math, lay out and cut your own stringers, and then learn how to install them using 3 different methods.
And he gave me a good hook right there, so it sounds like he's really on target with what I'm looking for. Seems like he knows what he's doing. I can go down here and I can see, first time building stairs. Yep, that's me. He goes through and gives you some links to some tools and things he's looked at. So basically, I like what I'm seeing here, and I want to subscribe because I really think Training Hands Academy is going to bring me some value to my deck building project. So I'm going to hit the subscribe button. I'm also going to make sure that the all is selected with the bell so that when he posts new videos, I want to make sure that I get an alert to know when those pop up. Next, let's talk about liking, commenting, and sharing videos. This is the interaction piece that you don't typically get when you're not a subscriber. So I started with another search term called building a deck for beginners, and I'm going to kind of scroll down to look at some basic deck framing. What I like about this video is it covers everything that I really need to know. So in this particular video, I'm going to hit the like button. I like it for a couple reasons. One, it's going to put this in a playlist for later of liked videos, and it gives the content creator a little bit of credit to help him boost his video. So the other important piece about videos is the user engagement, what others are saying about the video, or could be some questions they're asking. A lot of times I've gotten answers from users in the comments section that I wasn't even looking for originally in the video. So here's like my opportunity to provide feedback, or I could ask a question that I would get a reply back from someone who is experiencing the same issue as I am, those kind of things. And I may get a reply back from the content creator himself or from another user. So the last part of the interactive piece with a video is the ability to share it either on social media, or I can share it with a friend. I can text it to somebody and say, hey, I heard you were looking at building a deck. I found this video, and I can copy that and send that to them via email, via Facebook Messenger, or a number of different social media avenues. Let's talk about saving and organizing your videos. Playlists are a huge part of the YouTube experience. When you find something you don't want to lose, you can create playlists of all the important content that centers around a topic or a particular interest. Playlists are basically a group of like videos that I want to keep and organize. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and save this video here, and it's going to give me an option to save it to my watch later list, which is a private area that nobody else on the internet can see or on YouTube, or I can create a new playlist. So I'm going to click on playlist, and I'm going to give it a title of my deck project. And I'm going to keep it private, and I'm going to create that. And now what I can do is come over here to my side drop down, go into my playlists, and you're going to see I have one called my deck project. It's got one video in it. I can click on that, and there's my one video. And I can also obviously add others if I wanted to. So I could scroll and say, hey, here's another really good one. I'm going to click on this one here. I'm going to click on the save button right here. I'm going to put it into my deck project. Go back to my playlists, you can see I now have 3 videos sitting in my project list. And just like that, your videos never looked more organized and accessible. Now you can find better videos, follow creators that you trust, and stay organized. Let me know in the comments what other features you have found and share them with the community. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.